shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking you inside an extraordinary architectural masterpiece here in Pacific Palisades. This stunning modern home blends organic design with luxury living, featuring natural clay plaster walls, seamless indoor-outdoor flow, and breathtaking views of the canyon. The property offers 8 bedrooms, beautifully designed living spaces, and a layout that feels both creative and inviting. Every detail, from the sculptural staircase to the expensive primary suite, was crafted with precision and artistry, making this residence truly one of a kind.
I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness.
The second floor of this property houses the majority of the guest suites that we are going to see later.
Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got.
The interior of this home is soothing and inviting, with curved plaster walls, light hardwood floors, and recessed track lighting that keep the space minimalist and elegant. Revealed details at the top and bottom of the walls add subtle dimensions, enhancing both the interior and the view toward the exterior. A long, airy hallway lined with art and linear windows leads you toward the back of the property, creating a warm, light-filled approach that naturally flows into the great room. Flowing from the entry, the great room is truly the centerpiece of the home, with soaring 15-foot ceilings, an open volume, and abundant natural light. The space feels both grand and inviting. Massive picture windows, casement openings, and exterior doors seamlessly bring the outdoor in, while the organic color palette enhances the warm, natural ambience of this impressive space. Now let's step into the sitting area. Here we have a spacious sectional couch paired with mid-century modern furniture, a beautiful leather chair, and a rustic carpet that ties it all together. The high ceilings feature a subtle wooden trim detail, creating two distinct lounge sections while keeping the space open and airy. Floor to ceiling windows blur the line between indoors and outdoors, filling the room with natural light, while clear story windows and mood lighting add warmth. The centerpiece is a stunning brass-wrapped fireplace, seamlessly integrated with custom shelving and millwork that showcases remarkable craftsmanship. Just a few steps up, the second sitting section feels cozy and inviting, with colorful pillows, a hidden built-in TV, and more clear story windows above. Every corner here reflects incredible attention to detail, from recessed AC diffusers built into the floors to custom curved couches that fit the walls perfectly. The design blends comfort with artistry, making this a space where you can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the sanctuary like atmosphere, all while being just minutes away from Sunset Boulevard.
Be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough.
Now we step into the kitchen, and this space feels like an open balcony with a roof, blending seamlessly with the outdoors. At the center, a massive island with curved corners features stone countertops wrapped in brass trim, complemented by leather-wrapped bar stools that add a touch of luxury. The cabinetry combines modern painted finishes with rustic brass handles, creating a timeless look. You will also find dual sinks, two dishwashers, and built-in fridge and freezer units, all designed with everyday utility in mind. Subtle details like the aligned hardwood floors that continue to the Alaskan cedar decks outside highlight the home's thoughtful design. Mood lighting above, a brass accented backsplash and plaster finished vent bring sophistication to the cooking area, while three different exposures fill the room with natural light. Built-in seating with a lazy Susan, warm pastel tones, and seamless sliding glass doors complete this inviting space, perfect for family gatherings, entertaining, or simply enjoying the connection to the outdoors.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for me.
This home's outdoor dining area is playful and inviting, with floating offset decks that connect seamlessly to the kitchen. Seating for 16, an Argentinian grill, and matching tile create a stylish, functional space. The hand-troweled clayworks plaster used throughout the home adds warmth and a natural organic feel, making both indoor and outdoor areas cozy and welcoming.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on.
The formal dining room is a minimalist dream with hardwood floors, a gorgeous table, and leather-wrapped chairs. Sliding glass doors open effortlessly to the outdoors, while a hidden bar adds charm and functionality. Stunning curves, detailed plaster work, and a dome ceiling showcase impeccable craftsmanship and making this space both elegant and versatile.
They know I'm doing things right, sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub.
This fun music and game room sits at the edge of the property with views of the motor court and lush greenery. It features a record player, chess set, built-ins, and even a scale model of a home. Scandinavian-inspired cabinetry and angled ceilings add character, while unique architectural touches make the space full of personality and charm. This guest suite offers a cozy, darker ambience with soothing tones, perfect for restful sleep. The ceiling angles and cluster details add a subtle architectural charm. Moving to the staircase, you will notice the incredible craftsmanship, curved brass edges, cluster reveals, and a single-piece wooden handrail that elegantly runs to the second floor. Upstairs, there are 4 bedroom suites, including shared bathrooms and a small private suite at the end. Each space is thoughtfully designed, allowing the homeowners to truly utilize every corner while maintaining privacy and comfort. And of course, we'll finish the tour with the stunning primary bedroom suite.
Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Welcome to the primary bedroom suite, a spacious, warm, and open retreat with a king size bed, angled ceilings, and a loft above the bathroom. Massive picture and casement windows bring in natural light, while the seamless connection to the outdoors create a tranquil, airy feel. The plaster walls, minimalist design, and attention to volume make this space both elegant and inviting.
Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop.
The bathroom features a Japanese soaking tub, curved corners, a small patio for light and air, and motorized blackout curtains for convenience. Vein matched stone countertops, curved walls, and Vola natural brass fixtures add character. While clever details like minimal drains and pebble tiled walk in showers ensure functionality, upstairs the loft offers a Togo sofa, workspace, and a view of the bathroom below. Upstairs, the loft offers a Togo sofa, workspace, and a view of the bedroom below. With brass railings and glass details seamlessly integrated for a refined, cohesive look. This home is the perfect example of how craftsmanship, creativity, and design can come together to create something timeless. From the outdoor dining terraces to the unique details in every room, it's a property that feels alive with character. So, what stood out to you the most in this Pacific Palisades estate? The soaring great room, the sculptural staircase, or the serene primary suite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more incredible home tours like this one. Thank you.